Welcome everyone to the advisory ecosystem. Today is a new phase in the evolution of the advisory ecosystem because we're going to be introducing this concept of the collaborative work group. Let me go ahead and introduce some of the folks that will be leading us through. Current member of the community, and grateful to have him, is Jamie Cleghorn. Jamie is the lead of the business-to-business commercial practice for Bain in the Americas. Also one of the authors to this research everyone's so excited by, the B2B Elements of Value.
I collaborated with Eric to build round 2 of Elements of Value, which is B2B focused. And I like to think of them as Legos. You just sort of had all these different colors and shapes of Legos and you could build whatever you wanted out of them. That's really what the Elements of Value are. It's oriented from more objective, hard metric measurable things on the bottom to things that are more subjective on the top. And that's actually one of the reasons we built the pyramid, is because it gives us a way to put hard quantification around those things that are a little bit squishier. Has anybody had a chance to sort of apply this to their business, either in a formal or informal way?
When we were introducing how mobile services with SaaS can completely change the way a workflow or a particular task is performed, we actually had a framework which laid out, if you eliminated steps, reduced effort, time savings. So this is actually a very holistic framework.
What I want to do is introduce our new chair, newly minted chair, if you will, for the customer success track, Dave Kocher. I've known Dave for years. One of the most progressive, innovative thinkers in customer success, I think, today. He leads the whole customer engagement globally for Medidata Solutions.
Thanks, Chad. Appreciate that. One of the things I know about customer success practitioners is that we're open and willing to help. We've already seen that here so far. And I think there's that common understanding that says we get further faster by collaborating and sharing. And I think that's the opportunity and chance we have in this group. And that's why I'm excited about it.
This has been sort of the cornerstone of how do you build consensus in a B2B organization around change. There's lots of research on the problem. There's not much research on the solution. The ones that we found was, can we simplify the buying process inside the customer's organization?
Things that we're focused on from the value team's perspective is spanning across that entire continuum and using the Eco IBC tool set to do that, and how do we connect that across our teams and make sure that we've got all of our folks engaged and aligned and really melding in our different processes.
Fantastic, the conversation that sparked here towards the end of the call. I think it's going to be the hopefully the spark that comes into the work groups that continue.
So with that, I'm going to wish everyone a great day. So thankful for the interactions and collaborations, and look forward to those signing up for the new work group. Thanks all.